Welcome to Algebra. Today we are learning how to evaluate algebraic expressions using the substitution method. This sounds complicated, but it is actually very simple once you know the steps. It is just like replacing a puzzle piece with the correct picture. First, let us look at the parts of an algebraic expression, like 5x plus 3. The letter x is called a variable because its value can change. The number 5 next to it is the coefficient, which multiplies the variable. The number 3 standing alone is the constant because it never changes. So, what does substitution mean? Think of sports. When a player on the field is tired, they come off and a new player goes in to replace them. In algebra, substitution means we replace the variable or the letter with a specific number. If x equals 2, we take out x and put in 2. Here is the most important rule for today. The golden rule. Always use parentheses when you substitute a number for a variable. If x equals -3 and you need to square it, writing -3 squared without parentheses gives you -9, which is wrong. But with parentheses, -3 squared correctly gives you +9. Let's try a simple example. Evaluate x plus 7 when x equals 5. Step 1 is to substitute. We replace x with 5 inside parentheses. Step 2 is to do the math. 5 plus 7 equals 12. That is our final answer. Sometimes the operation is invisible. Look at 4y when a number is right next to a letter, it means multiplication. So if y equals 6, we substitute 6 for y. This becomes 4 times 6. The answer is 24. We can also do this with more than one variable. Evaluate 3a minus b when a equals 4 and b equals 5. We substitute 4 for a and 5 for b. Now we calculate. 3 times 4 is 12. Then subtract 5. 12 minus 5 equals 7. Let's make it a bit harder with exponents. Evaluate 2x squared plus 3 when x equals 4. We substitute 4 into the parentheses. According to the order of operations, or PEMDAS, we do exponents before multiplication. 4 squared is 16, then 2 times 16 is 32. Finally, 32 plus 3 is 35. Here is a fraction example. Evaluate x plus 4, all divided by y, when x equals 10 and y equals 2. First, substitute 10 for x and 2 for y. Simplify the top part first. 10 plus 4 is 14. Now divide 14 by 2. The answer is 7. Let's recap the steps to success. First, identify the variables and their values. Second, substitute the values into the expression using parentheses. Third, solve using the proper order of operations. Follow these 3 steps and you will get the right answer every time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.